In this question, we need to show that 6x cubed over 9x squared minus 144 divided by 2x to the power of 4 over 3 brackets x minus 4 can be written in the form 1 over x multiplied by x plus r, where r is an integer. We'll start by getting rid of the divided sign, and so to do that, we can change the divide sign into a multiplication sign and flip the fraction on the right hand side. So we'll end up with 6x cubed over 9x squared minus 144 multiplied by 3 brackets x minus 4 over 2x to the power of 4. Now before we multiply across, let's see if we can do any factorising. We know something called difference of two squares, and we can identify that 9x squared minus 144 is a difference of two squares. And so when we factorise, we'll end up with 6x cubed over 3x plus 12 multiplied by 3x minus 12. And so we can see that that's the factorised form of 9x squared minus 144. And then we have the fraction on the right hand side, which is 3 brackets x minus 4 over 2x to the power of 4. Now when we multiply out, we'll end up with 6x cubed multiplied by 3 multiplied by x minus 4, all divided by 3x plus 12, 3x minus 12, and 2x to the power of 4. Now let's look at 3 multiplied by x minus 4, and we can expand that expression to end up with 3x minus 12. And then we have the same denominator as before. And so immediately we can see that the 3x minus 12 on the numerator and the denominator can cancel out, which will leave us with 6x cubed on the numerator, and then 3x plus 12, and then 2x to the power of 4. We can get rid of the 2 in the denominator by dividing by 2 on both the numerator and the denominator. And so you can see that when you divide by 2 on the numerator, we'll end up with 3. And so by dividing both sides by 2, we're going to end up with 3x cubed divided by 3x plus 12 multiplied by x to the power of 4. Now we can get rid of the x cubed at the top. And so the x cubed will disappear on the numerator and we'll be left with an x in the denominator. So this now becomes 3 over 3x plus 12 multiplied by x. But now we want this in the form 1 over x plus r, so we need 1 in the numerator. Now we can get 1 in the numerator by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. Well, how can we divide the denominator by 3? Well, we can factorise 3 out of 3x plus 12. So let's see what we mean. We'll end up with 3 divided by 3 multiplied by x plus 4, all multiplied by x. And so you can see that the 3 multiplied by x plus 4 is equivalent to 3x plus 12. Well, now the 3's cancel out, and we'll end up with 1 over x plus 4 multiplied by x. And to write this in the format 1 over x multiplied by x plus r, we can say that this is equivalent to 1 over x multiplied by x plus 4. And so we've written this in the form 1 over x plus r, where r is equal to 4. Now this question is worth 3 marks. Now we get the first mark for inverting the fraction on the right hand side and changing the divide sign into a multiplication sign. We get the second mark for recognising the difference of two squares and for converting 9x squared minus 144 into 3x plus 12 multiplied by 3x minus 12. And we get a third mark for continuing to factorise and cancel out until we ended up with the final answer of 1 over x multiplied by x plus 4, allowing us to get the full 3 marks needed in this question.